The Chapman brand is really important to me personally. Obviously very involved in the community here in Lancaster, Harrisburg, Philadelphia markets. It's recognizable to many people.
I had a predisposition for car dealerships. Coming here, I realized that it was a stand-up dealership. People always did the right thing. We take pride in the work that we do here.
As a family, they've taken us out to Detroit to show us new products, to give us training, to have a better experience for the guest, the customer.
Our customers know why they're shopping at Chapman, and we ensure them that they get the best respect that they deserve. Our jobs is to ensure that customers are fully educated in making their decisions.
We just have so many great cars. It really just comes down to what you're looking for, what's going to fit your family, and what's going to fit your budget.
We offer a certified pre-owned program unlike any other. We offer a lifetime powertrain warranty, complimentary with the program. Many other benefits like ding and dent removal and key replacement.
We'll actually cover your deductible in the event you have an incident or some kind of accident. So you bring it to us within the first year of ownership, we'll pick up your deductible up to $500. Our collision department has all trained certified technicians there. We do it the best.
As long as you own the vehicle, you got that lifetime guarantee. So bring it here, I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be the way it's supposed to be, because if I don't like it, I'm not giving it back to you.
We strive to make that car look as new as possible and making sure that when the customers come, they're totally and honestly happy with the car.
The Chapman brand has done a great job of establishing itself through charities. It's great to know that we have a footprint here in Lancaster County.
This dealership does everything the way it's supposed to be done.
We've earned a reputation that is kind, generous, and willing to take care of their customers at any cost. I couldn't be happier working for this company. I wouldn't want to work for anyone else in the world, and it's one of the best decisions I ever made coming to work for Chapman.